Nonsense. Today we should discuss about the very interesting topic, paper internet technology, paper 3, second CG paper. Today we should discuss about the second chapter, basics of web design. Basics of web design content. So first of all, what is the meaning of web design? So the web design is the process of creating websites. It encompasses several different aspects including web pages layout, content, production and graphics design. So what is the meaning of web design? It means web designing is the process of creating websites. It encompasses the several different aspects including web page layout, content, production and graphic design. So this is the definition of web designing. Then next, what is the meaning of designing? Then designing means the designing stage is one of the most important stages of a project. It involves giving the shapes to all the information defined in the planning of stage. So what is the meaning of designing? So designing is the involved in giving shape to all the information defined in the planning stage. Shape means nothing but the shape means how to attract by the users. It's called by shape. By information, users can give some of the information by creators. Creators create some web designing. The information automatically used for the creators. So the users can how to attract by the information. So it's called by shape. Then next one, what is sketching? What is sketching? Sketching means the sketching is a great way to start any design. Use pencil and paper or sketching. Gives you a distance ability to jump from the one idea to another easily. The sketching means the sketching is a great way to start any design. Then you should be creation of any design. The sketching is very helpful of web designing. Then next, what is the defined DHTML? DHTML stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. DHTML means Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. It is a combination of HTML as well as the JavaScript to render text or the browser to change the font, some text as user rule and mouse favorite. So what is the meaning of defined DHTML? DHTML stands Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a combination of HTML as well as JavaScript to render text on the browser to change the font of some text as user rule of mouse favorite. So DHTML is one of the combination of HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. HTML also is the use of creation of any type of the web pages. So DHTML is the one of the part of HTML. So the HTML is also a link of the JavaScript to render the text on the browser. So DHTML also is used to creation of web pages. Then next one, HTML and elements of web page. So elements means whatever the characters or whatever the how to design in HTML means HTML and elements of web page in this topic. Then what is the elements? So the HTML standards for Hypertext Markup Language, a foundation coding in the language used for building web pages. The HTML means Hypertext Markup Language, a foundational coding language used for building web pages. Then HTML is an industry standard language. It is guaranteed to be understood by all web browsers applications like Safari, Firefox and Google Chrome etc. Used on computers, tablets or smartphones to display with websites. So what is the HTML means? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is a foundational coding language used for building of web pages. Then displays they should be used in HTML means the HTML will be used by creation of any web browser applications like in Safari, Firefox and Google Chrome, whatever that. Nowadays we should be all persons use the internet with help of Google. So the Google will be work from all devices such like as computers, tablets, smartphones and display other websites. Then next one, elements of web page. So elements means how to create in a website or whatever the characters of in web page. So it's called the elements of web page. Then first one, page title. Second, meta description. Third, the headline is called by H1. Fourth, the subheadline is called by H2. Then finally the content. So the 5 characters will be elements of web page. Then you should be creation of any web page. The 5 characters is a very important role in the creation of web page. So then first in content links. Then next. Then first the page title. So you should be creation of any web page. The first starting will should be giving the title of the web page. Then the title of web page shows upon in the browser tab. The title tag looks like this in a semicolon title backslash. This is the title of the page. So semicolon and backslash is indicated until less than or greater than is indicated by the open tag. Less than backslash greater than is indicated by the closing tag. So this is the first one, page title. The page title shows upon the title of the browser. Then second, the meta description. The meta description tag in HTML is the 160 characters that use the summarize a web page's content. So meta description is the meta description how the 160 characters. So the meta description is the second one. Next, third one. Third one means then you should be giving up any headings. The first heading is indicated by H1. Each section of content on a page should be introduced by a heading indicating its in a reality importance within the page. So what is the main of H1? H1 is a section of content on a page should be introduced by a heading indicating the relative importance within the pages. Then second one, subheadings. The subheadings is indicated by H2. H2 is organize your content in the different segments using multiple headings. This is called by H2. The H2 headline should be included in a related search paras. So organizing your content in the different segments using the multiple subheadings. That is called by H2. The H2 headline should be include related search pages. So automatically the H1 and H2 will be very important role by the creation of web pages. It's like heading and subheading. Then next one, the content of the page. The content of page is also one of the important role by the creation of web pages. So what is the content? Content means whatever the information they should be given by the creators by users. So it's called by content. So how to insert the content of web page means the content. The main content of pages may be text, video, graphics or images or something else. Search engines are getting to the point they can be understand the images and videos to the point they can text. So what is the main aim of the content means the main content of pages may be text, video, graphics or images or something else. The search engines are getting to the point they can understand images and videos to the point they can text. So content is the most important of the web page because how to attract in by the users. So then next in content. The in content means then in content. In content means the in content means like a form of in a citation of the web. It is a one-way link placed within the body of a content that's given in a naturally the specify of resource. So in-content means the in-content links like is a form of a citation on the web. It is a one-way link placed within the body of content that's given a naturally by other websites to the specified resource. The in-content automatically given to the some other resources of the information. In this lesson, we should discuss using the sum of assignment. So, what is the important? We have some important questions in this lesson. So, short questions. First one, what is the web designing? What is the meaning of designing? And expand the DHTML. Then, in this topic, is the most important question of an IT examination. The what is HTML and elements of web page. So, please write down the assignment of in these questions. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.